could not save contact changes problem in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of your phone application. Here you can see I have Phone by Google, so just tap on it, and as you can see there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the phone application. So we're going to go back and then launch the settings application of our device. Next, tap on the apps option over here by scrolling down and tap on manage apps. As you do that, you can see the search bar, so tap on search bar and search for phone. As you search for phone, you'll be able to see the phone application on your device. So you can just scroll and tap on it, then tap on clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you can clear cache and tap on OK. After that, you can just go to the app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here. Then you can just go and relaunch the contact or the phone application and your issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.